to find the shortest distance between two skew lines. So here question is, what is a skew line? So coplanar line first. Two lines laying in the same plane are called coplanar. But skew lines, two lines in a space which are not coplanar are called skew lines. Two lines in a space which are not coplanar are called skew lines. So here L1 and L2, L1 and L2, L1 and L2 are two skew lines. Whose vector equation of L1, vector R is equal to vector R1 plus lambda vector mu, where lambda is a scalar. And vector equation of line L2 are vector R is equal to vector R2 plus mu vector V, where mu is a scalar. Then L1, line L1 is parallel to vector mu, and line L2 parallel to vector V. Line L1 passes through point A having position vector R1, and line L2 passes through point B having position vector R2. Let PQ be the shortest distance vector. Shortest distance, that means PQ perpendicular to both L1 and L2. PQ perpendicular to both L1 and L2, then PQ is called shortest distance vector. PQ perpendicular to line L1 and line L1 parallel to vector U. So PQ perpendicular to vector U. Similarly, PQ perpendicular to line L2, and line L2 is parallel to vector V. So PQ perpendicular to vector V. PQ perpendicular to both vector U and both vector V. Therefore, PQ parallel to vector PQ parallel to U cross V. Vector PQ perpendicular to vector U and vector PQ perpendicular to vector V. It means vector PQ is parallel to vector U cross vector V. Therefore, PQ is not vector. PQ is a scalar PQ. PQ, any part length PQ. PQ is equal to projection of vector AB along vector U cross vector V. Projection, what is real value, real meaning of projection? If we draw a light perpendicular to this line PQ, then the shade of AB is called projection of AB over PQ. So PQ is equal to, not vector, it is a scalar. PQ is equal to projection of AB along vector U cross vector V. Projection is called dot product. There are PQ is equal to a vector AB. Vector AB, the vector AB R2 minus R1, vector R2 minus R1. The vector R2 minus R1 dot vector U cross V upon mod U cross V, that is a scalar PQ. And PQ is equal to, we can write it as mod R2 minus R1 vector R2 minus vector R1 vector vector V upon mod U vector U cross vector V. This is the main equation of the shortest distance between two skew lines in vector form. And next is the shortest distance between two skew lines in Cartesian form. Thank you and have a nice day.